In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix high RAM, memory, CPU, and disk usage on Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First, let's check for resource-intensive processes. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. In the Task Manager, go to the Processes tab. Here you'll see a list of all running processes and their resource usage. Identify any processes that are using a lot of RAM, CPU, or disk. If you find any unnecessary processes, right-click on them and select End Task. Be careful not to close any system-critical processes. Next, let's disable unnecessary startup programs. Still in the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start when your computer boots up. Right-click on any programs you don't need to start automatically and select Disable. This will free up resources and speed up your boot time. Another way to reduce resource usage is by adjusting visual effects. Go to File Explorer and right-click on this PC. And select Properties. Go to Advanced System Settings. And under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. You can also choose Custom and uncheck specific effects while keeping the ones you prefer. Outdated drivers can cause high resource usage. Make sure all your drivers are up to date. Open the Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Right-click on each device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows find the latest drivers for your hardware. Malware can also cause high CPU usage. Run a full system scan using Windows Security, which comes built in with Windows 11. Click on the Start icon, then select Settings. Go to the Privacy and Security tab and select Windows Security. Here, go to Virus and Threat Protection and click on Quick Scan or Full Scan to check if there are any threats on your PC. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Also, you can check out our other video about how to fix high RAM, disk usage on Windows 10. See you soon.